Yuka-chan, did you write a letter to Santa?
Yeah.
Can I see? Can you show it to me? Okay, can you read it out loud?
Santa Claus, I want diamond. Santa Claus, can you bring a train?
Train.
That's it.
Okay. Wow, a train? It seems to Mommy that you're asking Santa for a present for...
Diamond?
A diamond is for Haruka and the train is for...
Wataru.
So you're asking a present for your own brother as well?
Yeah.
Because Wataru can't write. He still can't write. You're writing a letter for him?
Yes.
You are so nice, Haruka.
Yeah.
I'm sure Santa will be so happy that you care about your brother, not just about yourself.
Yeah, and something Santa's watching everybody.
Santa's watching everybody. Yeah, I think so. And
Yep.
Yeah. Wow. Can I see your letter? May I see it?
I told you I
What? You told me what? Let me see. Santa Claus, I want diamond. Train. Santa Claus
No.
can...
No. Santa Claus,
Mhm.
I want diamond.
Mhm.
Santa Claus, can
You
you
bring...
bring a train?
Oh, train. Oh, right there. Wow. Look at this picture. I see like this heart has hair sticking out.
No.
What is this?
It's a hot diamond.
A heart diamond? Oh, I see.
And this is diamond.
Mhm.
And this is diamond too.
How many diamonds do you want, Haruka?
Um,
I would like to have a diamond too. If Santa would give me one.
Then I'll give you a diamond too.
Really?
I'll give you a diamond.
You will give me 2 diamonds. Does that mean Santa will give you 3 diamonds? 1 for Haruka and 2 for Mom?
Wait. 3 for me and 3 for you.
Okay, so that means that Santa will bring... How many does Santa have to bring? If he'll give Mommy 3 and give Haruka 3.
That means 6.
All right. You did the math. So he needs to prepare 6 diamonds. Do you think he would bring 6 diamonds?
I don't know.
That's pretty, how should I say? Costly?
What's costly?
It costs a lot. Very expensive. Well, anyways, okay. Let's see if he would really bring those presents for us. All right. Thank you. Thank you for showing me your letter. So sweet.